Hello dear students, in the previous videos we have studied about the orientations in that inductive effect, electromagnetic effect, resonance effect and hyperconjugation effect. And also we have discussed activating and deactivating groups. Now in this video we will see orientation of substituent in aromatic compounds with different functional groups like OH, NH2, Cl, NO2, CH3 and COH in halogenation. These are just like resonance structure. Writing the resonance structure for in the benzene with the OH, NH2, Cl, NO2, CH3, COH. We have studied resonance effect with some examples. Same way we are discussing these functional groups in the with the benzene ring. Okay, we'll see that. Okay, here you can see that effect of OH group in the benzene ring. So we have lone pairs over here on the OH group, lone pairs, two lone pairs. So what happens? This lone pair comes here. Okay, this lone pair comes here and this bond come here. So what we'll get in the next structure? Here we'll get a positive charge, and whenever this lone pair shifts, and here it got a double bond. Okay, and this is a minus sign, and again what happens? This minus sign comes here and this bond goes here. So what happens? These two carbon atoms are unaffected. Again in the next structure, this position, what happens? Negative sign over here, this shift to here. Okay, this shift over here and this bond shift to the next. Okay, I hope you are able to understand this simple resonance structure. So what happens in the next structure? We'll get a again same structure. This with this bond here it will get a negative charge, and these two carbon atoms are unaffected. Okay, and this is the overall structure, that is we called it as a delocalized structure. Okay, simple resonance structures we are rating OH group with in the benzene ring. So what is OH group? Is a electron donating or electron withdrawing? Okay, it is a electron donating group. OH is a electron donating group. We have studied this. OH is a electron donating group. So here one thing we can observe that from this resonance effect, ortho and again which position? Para position. Ortho and para positions are electron rich. Okay, ortho and para position. Where is the ortho position? Okay, this is the ortho position and this is the para position, and over here is the meta position. So ortho and para positions are electron rich. So what happens? Therefore electrophile attaches to the ortho and para positions. Okay, this is about the resonance structure. Now we'll see the one example, that is how the ortho and para positions are electron rich. When we have this group, okay, when electrification is taking place, what we'll get? One electron will attach to the ortho position and another will attach to the para position. Okay, and with one more example we can write it as benzene with OH. We will take a Cl2. Okay, what will be the intermediate? That is FeCl2. Okay, then at this will remain same, and at ortho position we will get one Cl and one at para position. Okay, so this is about the effect of OH group in the benzene ring. So in the same way, we know that OH is a electron donating group. Same way the NH2 is also electron donating group. NH2 is also electron donating group. Cl is also electron donating group, and CH3 is also a electron donating group. So we have to do one just simple work. Write the resonance structure the same way it will continue. Resonance structure or effect of NH2 group, Cl group, CH3 group in the benzene ring, or we can also say resonance structure. So you write these three group structures. Okay. Now I will discuss with the electron withdrawing group. This is effect of NO2 group here. So NO2 group is a electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing group. So can you see the difference over the electron donating and electron withdrawing effect? Okay, this is the resonance structure for the NO2 group. So nitrobenzene is less reactive than benzene. So this nitrobenzene is less reactive than the benzene ring. So we have seen that the positive charge on the nitrogen atom, well, that the inductively electron withdrawing and it pulls the electron density. It pulls electron density out of the ring. Since here the benzene ring needs its use electrons to react on electrophilic aromatic substitution. They are less available due to inductive effect. So we call this nitro group as it is electron, and we are also calling it as a deactivating group. Because it deactivates the benzene ring. Why? Because it deactivates the benzene ring. So this is the deactivating group. So where it deactivates the benzene ring? In the electrophilic substitution reaction, it deactivates the benzene ring. So we can actually use the conjugation of atom ring or aromatic ring with a double bonded oxygen. So here we have a double bonded oxygen of the nitro group, and show the electron can be pulled out of the ring. So here what is happening? The electron is pulling out of the ring. So next in this here you can see this is totally different from the electron donating and electron withdrawing. So this is reverse of the electron donating is taking place. So what you can see here in the third structure. So here we can see we have two positive charges over the group and two negative charges on the oxygens. So here we are just moving electron around. So molecules need to stay overall natural and in this resonance form that we draw, and two positive charges and two negative charges. And this is the structure where we can see that the charges are separated. Here the charges are separated. The form, it is not best resonance form. This is not the best resonance form. It does contribute also. It gives an important insight of the nitrobenzene ring. So this is the delocalization. Structure of the nitrobenzene. This is the delocalization structure of the nitrobenzene. So this is how we can see that how the nitrobenzene is taking place in the resonance structures. What this double arrow indicates? So the same structure can be can return to this form, or this can be returned to this form. This is the meaning of double arrow. So this is the electron withdrawing. The COOH group is also a electron withdrawing. The COOH. What is COOH? This is carboxylic. It is also a electron withdrawing group. So you do this work. So write the resonance structure for COOH, okay, with the benzene ring. I hope you have understood this effect of NO2 group or nitrobenzene. So with some examples we can see here. In the electron donating, we have seen the ortho and para positions were electron rich. Okay, this won't happen in the electron withdrawing. So what we get in with the examples, so you can see here. So we have a nitro group, NO2. When electrophilic substitution is taking place, so what which position it will occur? The electrophile will occur which position? So it will occur at meta position. So this position is occupied. So one example like we can see here is with the NO2 group, nitrobenzene with the HNO3. Okay, what we will get? What will be the intermediate? H2 SO4. So what we will get? Which position will occur? This will remain here and this will remain here. Okay, and NO2. So what we can see is meta. This is meta position. We have two nitro groups, di, nitro, meta, dinitrobenzene. Okay. So this is about the effect of NO2 group. So you do this work. Now write the resonance structure or effect of carboxylic group in the benzene ring.